what I have done. Now I'm on the pants. Yes. Never in my life, never asked for more. This is my first time drawing this.
Iya, Pak, kayaknya wala yung tempered. Chow-chow, ay gigi. Yaon yung ating tempered. Watabak sa kanya.
Done, guys. Now let's erase the pencil. Yes. Guys, if the light is off because I turn it off. Hello. So here is the result.
Pant na guys.
You can see it light because I make it lighter. Yes, look. Then I will gonna cut it.